Wewe fanya yako, sisi tufanye yetu.
Fates. Tutonyanya. Tupambane na COVID-19.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tronwy and I'm back with yet another great video. Wow guys, it has been ages. Gosh, how many months? I really don't know. So guys, I don't know what to say. It has been a long time, guys. I really miss you though. So today I was doing my hair and I was like, why don't I vlog today, because currently I'm on leave. So yeah guys, if you wanna DM me, if you want us to, you know, meet up, talk on that, you can DM me on the Instagram or on Facebook, guys. I'll reply this time. I'll reply, guys. So yeah, as I was saying, I was doing my hair and I decided like, why don't I show you how I always do my hair, because lately guys, I've not been going to the salon. Like since Corona came, I always do my own hair at home. So yeah guys, I'll show you what I do and the things that I use, and it's so simple guys. It's the easiest way you can braid your hair, mostly for beginners, the people that really don't know how to scoop all this hair, all these baby hairs. Yeah, this tutorial will teach you on how to do anything that you want when it comes to braiding, guys. So without talking too much, let's get to this video, guys. It's wax. I know this, you can get it from
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright. You know I'm so much stronger when you're touching me. I've got what I can't handle, but I know I need one look and I'll surrender. Go while my heart beats, from day one to forever. You'll be saving me. You'll be saving me. I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. And never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your